Today we are going to discuss question based on time and distance. This question came in IS 2008 and such type of questions also are in different competitive exams. So let's look how to solve this type of question. What question said, a trip to a destination is made in the following ways: 900 km at an average speed of 60 km per hour by train. Okay, so first he goes train with 900 km. Now 3000 km by plane at an average speed of 500 km per hour, 400 km by boat at an average speed of 25 km per hour, and 15 km by taxi at an average speed of 545 km per hour. What is the average speed of the entire journey? So we are asking to find average speed. Now how to find average speed? First let's understand the question. So what he is saying, let a person, okay, is standing here and he has to go certain point distance here. Okay, now what is going on? The person travels first 900 km with an average speed of 60 km per hour. This is distance and this is speed individual for particular time period. Okay, in time period T1. So this is traveled by train. After train he took plane. Okay, after train he took plane and distance 3000 km is covered by him at an average speed of 500 km per hour. Okay, it is given here. Next trip he take boat and travel a distance of 400 km. Okay, 400 km at an average speed of 25 km per hour. Last journey he trekked by taxi. Okay, he traveled by taxi. How much kilometer? 15 km at an average speed of 45 km per hour. Now what he is asking? He is asking about average speed. Okay, so question is asking about average speed. So firstly you have to understand the question. What is question is asking? So question is asking about average speed when he traveled individual distance with the individual speed. Okay, so this type of question is proceed how? Let's see. So what is average speed? First we have to know that what is average speed. So you know that average speed is total distance to the total time. Okay, total distance to the total time. Now is it we can find from here? No. What is not given here? It is total time, which is not given here. Total time. So we have to find total time from here. Individual distance is given, so we can easily find total distance. Total distance can be found by summation of these individual distance. Now but total time we can't find. So let's suppose that he take time T1 to travel the speed of with train 900 km. For this distance he take time T2. For this distance boat he took time T3 and the remaining time he take T3. Let's suppose. Okay, so what come here? It come total distance to the total time. Now time will be T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. Okay, individual time. Now T1, T2, T3, T4 we have to find. Now you know that what is time? Time you find by distance traveled to the speed. Okay, distance traveled to the speed. Now total distance is the summation of individual distance. So 900 plus 3000 plus 400 plus 15. This will be the total distance. Now what is T1? T1 is speed upon time. You know that. What is time? Distance upon speed. This equation you study in class 9th. Okay, physics. So time equals to distance upon speed. So T1, what will the distance? 900. What is speed? 60 km per hour. So 900 to the 60 plus what is distance? 3000. And what is speed? 500 km per hour plus 400 to the speed 25 km per hour, and the next is 515 km to the speed 45 km per hour. Okay, now summation this, what come now? 1600, sorry, it will be 5 1 4315 to the okay, what comes here? It will be 339 30 by 2 plus simply 15 plus 6 plus 16 plus 1 by 3. On solving this, you will get 4315. Simply you have to solve this mathematics, simple mathematics. 15 21 21 27 37 plus 1 by 3, which will be equals to 4315 into 3 upon 2 10 11 112, and simplifying it, 3 15 4 3 9 4 3 12 112. Okay, let's check, is it correct? One two 945. Okay, so the average speed of the journey will be this one. We got it. Okay, आप गलती क्या करोगे कि you may find average speed by simply adding this and done by 4. जो हम जनरली करते हैं कि एवरेज स्पीड निकालना होता है, तो व्हाट इज एवरेज? एवरेज इज समेशन टू द पावर n. But here it is not applied because the time depend on distance and speed both. Okay, so distance and speed from this it is given, and we have to find individual speed from here and individual time from here, and from individual time you can get average speed.